Welcome to today's FundWise Capital question. Today's question comes to us from all around the country. Business owners and entrepreneurs and people that just want as much money as possible are asking the question, how in the world can I get one massive line of credit at $100,000 to jumpstart my business or just do whatever I want with that money? And that is an excellent question. The answer comes down to this. If you want one massive line of credit at $100,000, you need very profitable business tax returns if you want to get it in the name of your business. Or if you want to get it in the name, just your personal name, you're going to need a lot of verifiable personal income. How much? Great question. Basically, for a business to get a business line of credit up to $100,000, you probably need a business that's doing $1 million a year at least in annual sales. And that business needs to be having net income of probably $300,000 at least. Probably somewhere in that ballpark is what we've seen as our clients have been able to get those $100,000 lines of credit. And in terms of a personal line of credit, it's pretty similar. I mean, you're going to need to have personal income of at least $500,000, $600,000, $700,000 a year, verified with a pay stub if you're employed, or last 2 years personal tax returns if you are self-employed. And you probably need to have some assets, some equity in a home or multiple properties, a 401k, for a bank to feel real comfortable offering that type of line of credit. And so, as you might imagine, maybe 5 at most 10% of the prospects that we see on a daily basis, and we literally see hundreds of people every single day around the country that need funding for a business or personal purposes. And a lot of them, well, boy, we'd love to get you that one massive $100,000 line of credit, but without the verifiable income, that's very difficult. And so what we do is we find solutions, right? That's what we're all about. And the solution is, instead of looking for one where you're going to need massive verifiable personal and business income, we actually get you maybe 5 or 6, $15,000 to $20,000 per account approvals, and then adding those $15,000 and $10,000 and $20,000 and $25,000 approvals up. That's how we can get you up to $100,000. And so you think in terms of multiples, and that's how you get where you want to go. And as we often quote, guys like Larry Page and Sergey Brin of Google, Kevin Plank with Under Armour, they got started with their businesses not with one massive line of credit because they didn't have the verifiable income, but rather 4 or 5 small ones. And that's how they were able to jumpstart businesses that are now worth multiple billions of dollars, because they understood that concept of funding within multiples. So hope you understood that one. Hope that makes a lot of sense. We sure would love to get you that big, massive line of credit, but it doesn't exist unless you've got the verifiable business and personal income. I think this is going to be a really helpful question for a lot of you out there, so I hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, we actually had